Hopefully this one does not go bad. I hope so. Let's see. I changed the settings, so hopefully it should be better. I changed the bitrate settings. I don't know. It was. I think it's also because, like, you know. Hopefully it should be better. Welcome back, Triboy baby. Please sleep already. Not yet. Prajwal, welcome back to stream. JD Noy, welcome back to the stream. Yeah, hopefully it should be better this time because I did stop the stream on Twitch, unfortunately. I think that might been a huge contributor as well. Maybe that was one of the reasons why. We'll see. But I also lowered the bitrate as well, so maybe that will help. But it's funny though because I streamed on Twitch and YouTube like 2 nights ago, and there weren't any issues. So yeah, I don't know. Yo, what's going on? Sroy, welcome back to the stream. Sorry that my internet is lagging a lot. I don't know what's going on, but it's really strange. Yeah, let me do this. I think what I'll do is instead I'll probably just do this. But yeah, if there's any issues, let me know. It should be better. It should be better now, though. I hope. Why did the Twitch stream shut down? I turned it off because I was getting a lot of lag on my stream on YouTube, and I think it's because I'm streaming on both platforms. So I think that's the reason why I kept experiencing connection issues. What I'll do tomorrow is maybe not tomorrow, but like maybe later tomorrow towards the evening is I'll probably try streaming on both Twitch and YouTube again, but with like lower bit rate, and then maybe that might work. It's probably like my ISP like throttling it or something like that, because they're probably wondering like why am I using this much data? Because I've been streaming for a very long time, you know, and it uses a lot of data as well. So that might be why. I don't know. Okay, perfect. So if arrow keys has that key, good, and we can basically just get the position. Okay. But yeah, sorry about the lag. I apologize for that. Hopefully it won't happen again. Is NestJS worth it to learn? Yes, absolutely. It's 100% worth learning. I would recommend you learn it because it's a really good framework to learn, honestly. Let me see. So interesting that the state gets updated very weirdly, but let's see. Okay, so this should take care of updating the position. I'm not sure why the position goes to 8 though, which is really weird to me if you ask me. Have you ever looked into Adonis.js under the Node.js framework? It's great and really simple to Laravel. I have not looked into it, It's my first time hearing about that, but thank you for letting me know what that framework is. I'll definitely look into it now. Do you need to know React in order to learn Nest? No, not really. Alright, let's see. I don't know why this is so weird, but it should update the position correctly though. So this should go between, it should go after D and before A. Okay, no, it doesn't do that. That's not good. Might need to do a -1, I think. I'm not sure. Try this. Welcome back. Thanks, Gravity. Yeah, I don't know. It's really weird with the way that this cursor position is happening right now. Because as I'm typing, I think, oh yeah, I think we also need to update the cursor position as well. So let's try this e.target.selection start. Is it selection start or is it selection end? I think it's selection start. Thanks, I appreciate it. I don't know what's going on with my internet today. Really weird. Yeah, I think we might do a -1 because we're trying to add it over here. So this works. Okay, so that works. But when I go ahead and do this, seems like there's a little bit. So yeah, so I think when we use the arrow keys, it is updating it a little bit weird. So it's setting the cursor position to e.target. I think we need to -1. I think. I'm not sure. Let's try. One, two, three, four, 5. Alright, let's go ahead and insert emoji there. So that works. That works. That works. That works. That works. That works. What's going on with that? That was really interesting. What characters were that? That's really interesting. Not really sure what's going on with that. It happens whenever I do arrow keys and then I do this. Yeah, that's really weird. Yeah, so it seems like it happens again when I do that, which is really strange. You got any opinions on the Rust programming language though? I think it's a good language. It's really fast. It's thread safe. It's got a lot of great features. It's basically like a more modernized version of C. So I think it's good. I think it's good. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this weird character over here. This is really strange though. But yeah, we're getting somewhat close to good implementation. But it is really buggy because if I click the cursor here, I don't think it ever updates the cursor, or does it? When I go ahead and click on emoji select, yeah, we're never updating the cursor. So that's also a problem as well. And there's no way that we can get the event data from here, which is kind of whack. So that kind of sucks, honestly. But, you know, it's not... Maybe not updating the cursor is causing the weird emoji. Yeah, updating the cursor is causing the real is really causing the weird emoji, which is... I'm not sure why, though. It's really strange. And it only happens when we use arrow keys. It doesn't do anything when we yeah, it's really strange. But it's a little bit weird, though. Some new stuff that we gotta kind of like dive into a little bit. But it's okay. It's okay. I think what I'll do is I'll move this into like a different branch. So let me do this real quick. Let me move this into a different branch. So that way I don't have to, you know, redo everything again. So let me do git branch, git checkout the emoji picker. And hopefully this does not mess up my end of line files. Let's see. Alright, so let's kind of just get rid of that real quick. Yeah, I don't know what was going on with that, honestly. Well, I'll have to go back to that emoji feature later. Probably won't worry about that right now. But I also need to remove this text area as well. Yeah, let me fix this real quick. Let me do this git log. I'll have to relook at that feature maybe like tomorrow. Text area height. Let me also discard these two changes because I don't want those changes at all. Are you only streaming in 4080p? No, I'm streaming in 1080p as well. You getting off for tonight? Not yet. Not yet. Kind of a little bit disappointed at that emoji feature. I'll have to relook at that emoji feature later. Yeah, I'm not sure what I want to do, honestly, because we made a lot of progress with what we have done today. So let me see. Yeah, like we fixed a lot of stuff already, which is good. Like we have online users, offline users. We had a lot of people testing the app today, which is good. We even had people DDoSing our server, which is also, you know, testing out the stress as well of the application. Let me see. I think the last thing that I wanted to do really was making it so that they can add other users. But then I got like, I don't know how I got distracted by that. 20K subs, congrats, man. Thank you, I appreciate it. Add the profile picture to right bar. Yeah, I don't have profile picture set up yet. Can you check my DM? Not right now, sorry. I'm working on some stuff right now. So yeah, I guess I'll just work on this add extra user feature. And so it'll just display a modal, so that should be a pretty easy fix. Or not easy fix, easy feature to add. So let's do modals, let's do add recipient. Let's do add recipient, add group recipient modal.tsx. Add group recipient modal. Tic Tech, welcome to the stream. How are you? Congratulations, man. Thank you, Papoon. I really appreciate that. Bertishka, welcome to the stream. How are you doing, my friend? Let's see. So let's do type props equals show modal. $20K, yep, we hit 20K not so long ago. We finally hit 20,000. I said we were going to do it today, and we did it today. And it's all thanks to you guys. I've been working on my backend API for a while now, and I think I'm ready for React. Hope so. I think you are. I think you are, Aaron. Go for it. Nah, bro, all you. Nah, it was all you guys. Hello, how many years of experience do you have with this, brother? About 3 to 4 years total experience. But in terms of React, I've mostly been using React for about 2 years. But this is my first big project since like what, March or something like that. So it's been a while since I've actually built project and stuff. So this is a good way to kind of like unrust my skills with React, because I think there was a lot of stuff that I did that I could have done a lot better, which definitely showcased the rustiness that I had. But it's okay, you know. When we build our next project, we will definitely be a lot more experienced than we were last time. Why does your cursor look so different? It's a VS Code. It's a VS Code setting. Just look up caret cursor, and then you can go ahead and enable it. I want to predict you will have 100K by the end of next year if you keep this up. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know if I'll. I mean, you know, honestly, like, you know, it's not a matter of if we'll hit it. It's a matter of when we'll hit it. You know. But yeah, like, it's crazy how far we've made it today, and you know, words just can't really describe how happy I am to hit the goal of 20,000 subs today, and I really appreciate you all for, you know, doing that. And yeah, really, my goal is just, you know, just make the streams as entertaining as possible, make it as best as possible, make it as informative as possible, so that way you all can learn and, you know, also have fun at the same time. Let me see. I want to go over to group. Where's the group header? Should be somewhere over here. No, not here. Group page. Might be in message panel, actually. Yeah, right over here. Message header. Okay, right over here. Yeah, there will be a playlist. Don't worry. We'll add all of those things to the playlist. Welcome back, Plagsy. Welcome back to the stream. How are you? I might have to rethink my front-end structure before I implement my UI. I only have the old login page and register page that I need to revamp. Gotcha. Gotcha. How much yours cost to build gambling site? What do you mean building a gambling site? Do you think Flutter is better than React? If you mean React Native, I like Flutter a lot, but I don't want to say it's better, because React Native is not bad too, you know? Okay, so watch this. If I click on this, it should render the modal. Not sure why it's not rendering right now though. Oh, so it does render it, but it was a little bit weird. Hey bro, what the time at your place? It's 2 a.m. right now. Yeah, why is it adding this modal here? I definitely don't want it like this, because right now it's, yeah, this is not good. It's likely to do with something with the position absolute. That's kind of annoying, honestly, because position, well, I think it's position fixed, but let me see. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that. Top 0, left 0. Okay, that fixes that. Okay. Yeah, I guess that fixes that. I guess we have to do top 0, left 0. So I guess that's okay. Alright, that's better. Did you take a break doing all of these? We did take some breaks here and there. How much it costs to make a gambling app where to make money? Yeah, but why though? Isn't React and NestJS built for the same purpose? Yeah, that is. Yeah, I don't know, honestly. Okay, so we have add recipient. Good. Okay, you can see over here, blah blah blah. Okay, yeah. So we have this modal. Let me change the background a little bit more. This background is a little bit too. Yeah, there we go. That's a lot better. Okay, so yeah, I think honestly I'll just make it so that, well, it's still going to use the same features. Like for example, when you go over here and you click recipient, you can still search for the same people. That's because we're using the same form, create conversation form. But I'll probably modify this a little bit, honestly. I think what I'll do is I'll just make it a lot more simpler instead of just doing it like this. I really don't like it though. I don't know, something about this. I'm just not really a fan of it though. Something about it. I don't know. But hi again, Anson. I just noticed we have hit 20k. Congrats. Thank you. Thank you for congratulating me. Oh, sorry, my bad. I thought Anton used NestJS. I confused Next with Nest. Yeah, I think maybe this is a good proof of concept. So when you click here, you can just type the recipient, and then you can just search for their name. And then we'll remove this message optional. And then this will be add recipient instead of message. So yeah, I think, you know, this is looking pretty good. So we have the add recipient. We have rate limiting. We still have to work on the rate limiting a little bit. But the rate limiting does work well though. Okay. Or maybe not in group. We have to make it work in group. But in private messages though, it works well. I'll have to play around with the emoji thing a little bit more tomorrow. But yeah, I think I am going to probably go to sleep because I am really tired and my brain power has decreased a lot. Unfortunately, as much as I would love to stay, we're 6 hours away from 24 hours, but I don't think we'll hit 24 hours though, unfortunately. Maybe some other days, so I'll probably just go and get some sleep, and I'll probably wake up tomorrow at maybe around 8 or 9 a.m. and I'll probably stream again if you guys want to go and check it out. But before I go, I just wanted to tell you all that I'm very thankful for every single one of you who stops by and watches the stream and chats with every single person, and it really means a lot to me to have people like you all watching the stream, supporting the stream, donating, joining the channel as a member, subscribing on Twitch, subscribing on YouTube, even just watching as a regular subscriber on YouTube means a lot to me. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. Thank you so much for watching the stream. We've been streaming for a very long time today. We've been streaming since 8 a.m. and I think it's time for me to go because I've been up for way too long. But once again, I can't thank you all enough. And tomorrow, I'll probably wake up tomorrow at like, let's see, what time is it right now? It's 2:09 a.m. right now. I'll probably wake up at like maybe 9 or 10 a.m. and I'll stream for about 8 hours or so. But yeah, if you guys are willing to watch, I'll be up at tomorrow, maybe 9 a.m. and I'll stream at that time. So I'm going to go. So good night or good morning to all of you. And I am signing off. So peace out.